Pinterest is an excellent tool or resource to help obtain ideas on classroom design and classroom ideas. You type in Pintrest.com and the main page will occur. And if you do not have an account, you will have to create an account. It is free and easy to complete. If you do have an account, you click on the little person icon and the already established boards will appear. I have several boards already established. We're going to show how to create a new board. Click on the Create New Board. So we're going to give it a name. We'll say Classroom Design. And if you want your board to be secret just for you, you can change that. I'll say no because I like to share my ideas, and then we'll create. Okay, you'll see that this board now is empty. There aren't any pins available, but it's already given you several recommendations because our board name is Classroom Design. So we have Classroom Design Ideas, Classroom Design for the middle school, Classroom Design Dreams, high school area, elementary school. There are so many opportunities to explore. You even have college area. On Pinterest, and what's available is amazing. So our focus is classroom design ideas, so let's look at that one first and see what we might find. So we're looking for classrooms that are well designed, that show appropriate space, that show what is expected of the students, and provides them an opportunity that is a good learning environment. This looks interesting, so I clicked on it to see what's available. Then we'll click on the picture itself, which will load into the individual's web page. So they have a classroom set up, roundup established. So we're talking about rearranging the classroom, sound advice on arranging the classroom. So this looks interesting. There aren't a lot of pictures, but she seems to have more information available in crafts and activities, organization, technology. So if we want to keep this one so we can go back to it later or maybe continue receiving information from this individual, we can click Save. Okay, and we're going to put it in our classroom design area. And we'll click Save, right? And then we can close that out and then go back to our board. And you will see our new board down below now has that one pin in it. Based on what we've placed in our board, now it's given us more ideas and pins to look at if we're interested in those. So I'm going to go back to my boards and show I actually have a board, Classroom Ideas, established with several pins in it that I'd like to discuss. The classroom design, which has been the focus of this project, is looking at layout and using desks and class arrangements to help set up different learning environments. So this is an excellent infographic that tells us that if we want a classroom for independent work, testing, or the beginning of the year, we could use row desks. If we want a classroom where we are working in groups and learning stations, we can double up desks or create table areas for sections of working. If we want an area for demonstrations or group discussions, I see role plays here, play acting if we're doing a theater activity. This is excellent. You kind of have a staging area, teacher still has area to walk in, and then students can still collaborate with each other in this setting. So we'll go back to the boards. There's other classroom ideas that are excellent and have been put in my pins. This one was really good. I like how she has it look more of a home environment, yet the expectation is still there because she is showing where the students are going to work. They're in small groups. They're in individual areas. They have a whole reading station. So it's well identified of what her expectations are. She has things labeled, and then she has student work and student information on the walls too. So this is an excellent example of how to design the classroom to where it feels kind of homey, but the expectation is still there. So again, if you are looking for classroom ideas and designing your classroom, Pinterest is an excellent resource, and you can create your own board, save multiple pins to one board, and go back and remind you of the information that you've obtained, and then help collect ideas as you move along through your career.